Hi guys, my name is Maria and today we will talk about Forex market and your opportunities for trading. I would like to remind you that here is my traders club that I have and you can join it and you can see a lot of instruments, but this is for traders club, only research that you can use if you know how to trade. For traders club pro, I am waiting that you are the one who knows how to work. You enter my traders club pro and you trade when I show you an area where you sell, and I show you an area where to go to and where to buy to, and you already know how to put your stop loss. If you don't know, here is a video, free video for traders club pro that you go and you go through and you try to understand how you put these stop losses. If you don't understand what I'm telling you about, please ask and I will try to explain you, because if you don't know how to trade, do not trade. This is not a game. This is something that takes your money away and never comes back. If you don't know what to do, this is like a game if you don't know how to work here. Okay, I wish you to become a good trader. So if you want to become a good trader, you have to be really serious about your steps here. So I'm here to help you with analytical researches and to help you to understand why I decide to sell or why I decide to buy. And for many years, I use this much of instruments. Not all Fibonacci's, not all let's say indicators. There are a lot of indicators. I don't use a lot of indicators. I use technical analysis. I use some indicators like Ishimoku, like Fibonacci, like levels, some instruments that work for me that I do understand how to use, and that is what I'm trying to show you here for free on my YouTube channel. You're really welcome to stay here and to press these fingers under the video. Thank you very much. Of course, if you want and you can, please share this video with the traders that you know. If I will help them to become more professional, I will be really glad about that. So we go to, let's talk about S&P 500, and here is the technical side of this instrument, what I think is okay for it for nearest future. There are a lot of people who are waiting for a crash, who are waiting for this instrument to go down and really far, 100%, whatever. I'm not the one who will give you forecast and will push you to trade because you need to trade. I'm the one who makes trading, and I do it by myself when I see signal, when I know what to do. If I don't know what happens here, I don't do anything. For S&P 500, I am not waiting for a way up or for a way down. I am waiting for a signal that I will understand how to use and how to trade. So here for S&P 500, for the nearest future, you can go on 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart. What I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for market to give me a break of this tendency that takes beginning from March 23, this tendency line. So yeah, I am waiting for price to break this tendency line, maybe to test this level 2,980, to test it. So if they break it, this will be a signal to work with the target 2,860. If they don't break it, if they give me a signal to buy from this tendency line, the green one, if they give me a signal to buy, so okay, we go and buy. But pay attention, I give it for free. No charges now. Yes, I'm telling you same information for everyone for free all the time on my Russian YouTube channel, on my English YouTube channel, same information all the time that works for me. Please use technical situation like that. Here is a downgoing situation, downgoing price. You draw this tendency line, and if you see a rebound from this tendency, you may buy, you may try to go into market right now, but it's not okay actually because of a lot of fundamental, not nice situations for S&P 500. So yeah, what you can do, you can wait for price to break this tendency line. When you see a rebound from one upgoing tendency line, you need to see the end of correction. And this is all a correction period. So when you see here rebound and after that break of this tendency line, you enter market and you go up. Your first target will be like 3,400, go there. But if you see here that they break it, you go with levels 2,970 2,860 and 2,780, and after that 2,630. So those are steps for you to trade. On 4-hour chart, on 1-hour chart, you're waiting for price to test it, to break it, to go down, test or rebound, test, break, sell. So this is like that. That's what you do. That if you decide to check the situation on 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, you go on smaller charts as well, and you are waiting for those little corrections intraday and rebound from some tendencies, and you go down again. So this is what I work like. And if I see a breakdown on 1-hour chart, I go on 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart, and I'm trying to enter market. Well, really careful. What we had in Traders Club Pro last Friday, for example, that was a pair of Great Britain pound with the Australian dollar. And what I'm waiting for this currency, I'm waiting for the price to go down. I do wait for price to test this level. It's like 1.77, 1.78. I'm waiting for price to go here. That is far from current price. It is good to wait for this price, good one. But in my Traders Club Pro, I wrote, guys, I'm waiting for this area, but for now, here is a rebound and here is a correction. So please be sure that you are waiting for price to give a correction, and after that you sell. If you do work intraday, so you can enter market with this price, this stop loss, and this target. So I do know that they are in profit because I did make this signal, I did make this opportunity for them to earn money. But what I like to say, there is still no signal to sell. I'm still waiting for the moment for price to give me a sell signal. And also for my Traders Club, for you here on YouTube, I told for many times this 200 moving average signal. When I do understand that they begin a correction, I use 200 moving average. Look here. I will explain it to you maybe, but they don't want to give me a chart. Oh, no, they don't want to give me. So what I'm waiting for price to, for example, break the 200 moving average. They're not giving me a good chart right now. I'm sorry, I can't show it to you. So yeah, I'm waiting for price to go above 200 moving average on 1-hour chart and on 1-minute chart. After that, my target to buy will be 200 moving average on 5-minute chart. When they break 200 moving average on 5-minute chart, the target will be 200 moving average on 15-minute chart. So for now, there is still not the end of correction, and they're still above 200 moving average on 200 chart on 5-minute chart here. So they're still above this 200 area, and if they go up, so this will be like target 1.8130, and I'm waiting for now for price to give me a signal to sell. But intraday, I might go up, maybe to close this gap. Yeah, and this will be target for Great Britain pound with the Australian dollar to go up to 200 moving average on 15-minute chart. This is okay. This is good. This might work for me. So yeah, totally generally, I'm waiting for price to go here, but I want to go with the best price. So I will enter 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart to wait for this best price to enter my target on weekly chart. Intraday, I will buy, well, with my tactic, with my trading system, up to here, maybe 1.8144. But this will be an area where I'm waiting for a short signal and sell with the target 177, 178. I didn't want actually to talk about this currency pair, but this is like an example that I showed to my Trading Club Pro, what I do work like, and this is not always like that. Sometimes I'm waiting actually that you do understand what kind of trader you are, and my job is to give you analytical research just to show you areas, and you already know what to push and when to push. So I do want you to become that kind of traders so that you know how to use my analytical researches and you use it profitably all the time. So yeah, now we go to Brent. I would like to share some Brent opportunities with you. We go here. Yes, it works. Good. And also, I would like to remind you that here is my Telegram channel on the bottom side. You see my Telegram channel. Yeah, MariaForex.com. So please, you're welcome to enter my Telegram channel as well, MariaForex.com. I will try to be more active there, but I don't promise that. I'm trying, but you do understand that trading is the first thing that I need, that I do, and the second part is all these projects with Russian and American traders and Indian traders and so on. So yeah, please welcome to my Telegram channel. I will try to be more active there for you and to give you more clue about what's going on with the markets. For Brent, guys, look here. What I like about this instrument that it goes with the right forecast. I do know that it goes up, but when I'm ready to enter market with the new positions, my current point is that I'm going to buy Brent above 43.30 with the target 46.70. This is all about the Fibonacci instrument, and here's the Fibonacci levels that I use from the bottom side of April 22nd, and with the upper side, this is June 8th. So yeah, I use these Fibonacci levels, and when they break the level of resistance, they might go to the first target with the Fibonacci levels, and this is 46.60. So that's what I'm gonna do for Brent, guys. And now we go to Euro. I'm not gonna sell. There is no sell signal for Brent, but if they give me, I do not make new long positions. New long positions only above 43.30. About Euro, what I'm waiting for is, let's go on a 1 hour chart. We are with the Traders Club, Russian Traders Club, English Trading Club Pro. We are in short positions, but you might pay attention to this 1.1140 level. Here they might stop. If they stop here, they might go up to 1.1220. But if they break it, 1.1140, your target will be 1.10. Pay attention. They might break it on 1 hour chart and after that go back. They might break it even to 1.11 and after that jump up. So please be careful with your ideas to sell just because. You have to follow this level 1.1140 because you can see that here is a tendency line on daily chart from May 14th. This is the tendency line. And you can see like Europe is being near this tendency line. Also, this is the maximum price from March 27th. And if they touch this level, 1.1140, they can touch it and go up. But we will buy only above this tendency line. If they break it, they might test 1.11 and after that go test 1.12 and after that they might go to 1.10. One more time, if they break 1.1140, they might go to 1.11. After that, retest the broken tendency near 1.12 and after that go down with the target 1.10. Well, this is not a forecast that this might happen, but this is something that I'm going to work with. And if they break this area, I'm going to look for the moments to sell intraday if they go up from 1.1140. So we try to enter market with the long positions and we will wait for market to break this tendency line and after that enter market with a huge target 1.16. Well, actually that is something that everyone is waiting for Euro to go really far up. I can't tell you for sure that I'm waiting for that because I'm a trader and I'm going to act as market shows me to act. I'm not going to make a forecast and just buy and sit and wait. I do work intra-week, I do work intra-day, and when I see a trading opportunity, I enter market, and I don't care what is the long-term trading idea. I'm trying to use the current situation. So for the nearest future, for Euro, this is the trading plan. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your attention. I will ask you one more time to press these fingers under the video, and of course, join my channel, join my Telegram channel, press fingers, press the bell so you don't miss my next video, and I think soon we will meet for some more forecasts. And of course the Traders Club already have the video from yesterday. They have a video about other instruments like gold and indexes and so on. I hope this helps you. See you next time. Bye bye, guys.